Hi friends, here is a nice inequality problem. We have to find what is the maximum value of x power n into y power n by 1 plus x power 2n into 1 plus y power 2n. X, y are positive real numbers and m and n these are integers. Right, x, y are positive numbers. Right, so that means x, this part is definitely not zero, right? X into y is definitely not zero. So let's do one thing. Let us divide both numerator and denominator with this numerator, x power m into y power m. Why we are doing this? Shortly we will understand, right? So once we divide this, let's divide both numerator and denominator with this numerator, x power m, y power n, right? So let's like this, right? We can write it as, then the numerator will become 1. Then this x power m, 1 plus x power 2m by x power n into 1 plus y power 2n y power n. We can split it like this, right? The denominator, we can split it like this. Then, then what will happen? This one becomes 1 by x power m plus x power m times 1 by y power n plus y power n, because there is x power 2m, x power 2n by x power n is x power n, and y power 2n by y power n is y power n. Right. So now we are dividing this to get this in this format. Right. 1 by x power n plus x power n, 1 by y power n plus y power n. Why in this format? This is in the form of t plus 1 by t. Right. To get this in this format, t plus 1 by t. Because t plus 1 by t is always greater than or equal to 2. Why? Because a is always greater than or equal to gm, and t when t is positive number, right? Aim is always greater than or equal to gm. What does that mean? If we take t and 1 by t, aim of that, it is average of this. T plus 1 by t by 2 should be greater than or equal to square root of, what is gm of t and 1 by t? Square root of t into 1 by t. Right, t into 1 by t is 1. So square root of 1 is 1. So t plus 1 by 2 is greater than or equal to 1. So t plus 1 by t is greater than or equal to 2. When it is greater than or equal, when is this equal? When t is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 by 1 is equal to 2. If it is some other number, for example 3 or 4, t is some other number, then it is greater. When t equals 1, it is equal to 2. Equal to 2. Right? Now, this one is in the form of t plus 1 by t. That means 1 by x power n plus x power n is greater than or equal to 2. Similarly, 1 by y power n plus y power n, this also is greater than or equal to 2. That means the product of these two, the product of these two should be greater than or equal to product of these two, that is greater than or equal to 4. That means the inverse of this, because this product is greater than or equal to 4, 1 by this thing, this entire piece should be less than or equal to 4. What is this piece? 1 by x power n plus x power n by times 1 by y power n plus y power n. What is this piece? This is actually simplified version of the given statement. This one. Right. This is just simplified version of this thing. So the maximum value of this thing is 1 by 4. Right, yes. It has nothing to do with m and n. Right. It is directly 1 by 4. We have just used an is greater than or equal to gm formula. Right. A plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to root ab. Why? We can prove this also. For example, root k minus root b whole square is greater than or equal to 0. That means a plus b minus 2 root ab is greater than or equal to 0. A plus b is greater than root ab. That means a plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to root ab. Right. A greater than or equal to g. That's how we can prove. Root a minus root b whole square is always greater than or equal to 0 because it's a perfect square. That's how we can prove why a is greater than or equal to gm also. Right. This is a very basic inequality. A greater than or equal to 0. Only thing is to convert this into this format. Into this format. So that we can use a greater than or equal to g. Right. Yes. Thank you.